The bang is kicking in. We got Gavin with us. Oh, let's go, baby.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Gavin went. There he goes. Woo! That gets the blood all flowing. Okay, it's a little hot now. I definitely shouldn't have put on 2 shirts. He's like, eh. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Oh, go. Thanks. We're not paying attention. Hey! Whoa! Hey, hello. Excuse me. We were going this way. Oh my goodness. It's so lovely out. It's 60-something degrees. I don't know. I don't pay attention. If the sun's shining, I want to ride. I feel bad for people that live like up north or like in really cold regions or rainy. Like I think sun, it really is like a reflection of happiness. And it's more so like how you wake up. Like you wake up and compared to rain or cold, you wake up and it's sunshine, it's just like positivity just being shown all over the earth. But if it's sunny and cold, that's a different story. What? What?
The engine light's still on.
Oh yeah, I don't care. We'll figure it out one day. Right, we're taking a ride. Get to know Gavin. Me and Gavin are gonna ride a lot this year. He rides very similar to me. Exactly. Point proven. He tried to kick the tree. Can I get a thumbs up in the comments to get Gavin? Or no, not in the comments, dude. Oh, what do you think, you can? Everyone get a thumbs up. If we get to 2,500 thumbs up, Gavin has to wear gear. I want him to wear a full suit like me. Because we ride crazy, but I don't want him to die. You know what I mean? I'm sure his girlfriend doesn't want it either. Oh, thank you. Why, thank you. Taking a left, baby. We're taking a left. Dab on him. Okay, no heading on. Oh, I'm in neutral. Hey, baby. I definitely clapped my my crotch against a tank.
Oh my God!
And I have minor pain right now. It's a little bit discomforting. Hey, dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's breaking up trees. Hello, that's bright. Hello. Yeah, that way. Why you got a ladder sticking out your window, man? Should have bought a truck. Oh, my foot got a cramp! Oh my goodness! Oh, it's at the bottom. It's like right where the arch is. I didn't know you could get a Charlie horse there. Oh. Which way are we going, Gav? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna call him Gav. We gotta make a nickname for him. Gav Bag, Gav and Guav and Shag and Wag and Bag.
That's true.
I don't know. I can't run, man. Give me a break. That driveway looks cool because there's a little bridge. Who doesn't like a little bridge? Wait, that one has a little bridge too. I want a driveway with a bridge. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Nah, it looks cool. Oh, there's a car there. This isn't exactly the safest. Oh, jeez. There's a car that way now. Oh, there's another car that way. Oh! It says you can't make a right. I'm not making a right because I'm making a U-turn. Haha.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
Oh, maybe that's why they said don't take a right. How did you do that? I can't. Whoa! Oh, I know where this road goes. It literally is like the same outcome. We would have came out over there, but we came out over here. So, but guess what? We had more fun going this way. Hey, there's another motorcyclista. Vroom. What's up, man? You see me? You see me? I'm literally staring at you. Look at me. Oh, this is my song's coming. I really don't care what people think of me. Oh, I love it. Show it to me. Oh, no. I was dramatically waving at him and he did it back. Oh my gosh.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
I'm trying. I can't get any quieter. Is this good? Is it? Race me! 6th gear! You gotta brake. You gotta brake. There's a bump there. Ooh, nice. That was juicy. Can I open my freaking... I want to go for a fist bump. Yeah. Hey, thank you. I don't know if he was scared or what, but he definitely was caught off guard. Wow, what's that hose doing? Just chilling, hanging out. Get it? Hanging out, because it was hanging out the plastic. I guess we know what time it is. Hey! 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 I'm just gonna start waving at people like, are you twerking? That Harley rider's like, get away from me. I'm just trying to enjoy my evening without all these loud crotch rackets. Where are my friends? Hey!
Oh shit, coming in hot.
Hey, I don't know where we're going. There's a police station right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Charlie horse, Charlie horse. Ow, ow. Oh my gosh, I just gotta sit through it. I never buckled my helmet. Oh, it hurt. It hurt so much. Ow! I'm just gonna, ow! Okay. Ow, oh, ow. Oh! Oh! I got a Charlie horse! I haven't been on the bike in 3 weeks, so of course I'm gonna. You don't have a license plate. Whoop! That's a puddle. Oh my gosh!
Bruh, 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 bruh.
Where you go? My bike's right there. There you go, bud. Do not try to hit someone. I understand.
Coming around me, all right?
I understand, but you can kill him. You can kill him. Do you understand that? You can kill him. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Anyway.
It's not an excuse. Do you want to have a charge for a murder? Hey!
What happened?
Oh, the dude tried hitting Jeff, so I got mad. Woo! Hello. That guy pissed me off. I wasn't mad. I was just like, are you serious? That way. Really? All the way? Oh my gosh. I know I was in the wrong, but seriously, like, did you not see me?